Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix if Instagram messaging is not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, if your Instagram messaging is not working, just simply go to this messaging section of Instagram and into there just simply take a screenshot of the problem and go back to the home page, then go to your Instagram profile. From there click to this three bars into the top right, and now after clicking into there, go to settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, scroll down to bottom and you will find this help center option. Click into that help center and go to report a problem. Include the screenshot that you have previously took and then explain your problem by writing down that my messaging section is not working, and after writing that, click to this send button. Then this report will successfully be sent to the officials of the Instagram, and as soon as they review your issue, they will fix the problem into your messaging and your problem will be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.